Hello my lovelies, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can earn money online without investment. So if you're someone out there who wants to start an online business, you want to earn some money but you don't really have the money to invest right now, then the strategies are going to be super amazing for you. So without any time wasting, let's dive right into the video. So the strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video is the Amazon KDP or Kindle publishing way of making money online, because it requires zero investment to get started. Okay, so the Amazon Kindle program basically allows you to sell anything from digital products to physical products to journal fiction to non-fiction books. Guys, you can go out there and start selling those products on Amazon KDP. So how do you even get started? If you're a complete newbie, you're probably thinking, I don't want to be writing a 300-page book. You don't have to do what I did. Like, I have 3 books that I publish on Amazon. Okay, people are making a killing doing this thing full-time by publishing 10-page ebooks, 20-page ebooks, like super short books on Amazon, and selling lots and lots of them and making a killing, guys, just selling digital products that they don't have to shape, they don't have to fulfill, they don't have to do anything. These products, for example, actually my sample copies that I ordered from Amazon, I don't have like boxes of those products at home. Okay, believe it or not, these are the only copies. I actually own just 1 copy of each of these books, just to let you know, because I don't have to buy anything like in bulk and keep in my house or garage and hope that people will buy. These are actually products that are actually made by order. So when somebody goes on Amazon and buys any of my books, Amazon then receive the order and then they print the book and ship it out to the customer as the customer orders, and then I have to sit back and earn my commissions at the end of the month. So Amazon get a percentage, of course, for the printing of the book and the shipping of the book, and then I get my profit. That's all I'm worried about right now. I created the product one time, uploaded it to the Amazon Kindle platform, and now it's bringing me passive income every single month. If there's someone out there thinking, I don't even know how to write a book, don't worry, I'll share with you guys an amazing strategy that you can use to create your own books without having to write anything. Okay, so stay tuned. So the first thing that you want to do, of course, is decide on what type of book you want to sell. Is it going to be fiction or non-fiction? I always recommend that you start with non-fiction, just because it's easier for you to create content and sell. So fiction will be something like storytelling, for example, where you have fiction characters and things like that, which, yeah, it's gonna take you time to write a fiction book. A non-fiction book is much easier to create. Okay, so you want to think about what type of book you want to sell first of all. Once you've decided on what type of book you want to sell, like what niche, think about your experiences, guys. You can easily do this based on even your life experiences. You want to start putting together your book. Okay, it's easy to do. You don't have to go on and actually start writing a 100-page book. You can actually write a 10-page Kindle book, like a short book that can be uploaded to the Kindle platform, and you can sell it for a really good price and make a good profit, right? Because it's an ebook, it's a digital book. There will be no need for Amazon to print out a physical book, which means that your overhead costs will be lower, so your profit margins will be higher. It's much faster to create a short ebook versus creating, you know, a 300-page book, for example, like in my case. And one thing I love about short ebooks is the fact that if you think about it, when you buy a book, how many pages do you actually get through that book? Okay, you know, we all buy books. You start reading the first, personally, after the first 20 pages, I'm kind of like, okay, drifting off a little bit. But if you were to just create a book that was like straight to the point, that will solve a problem in 10 pages, I'll happily pay for that versus buy a book that had like 300 pages that I have to now try to finish, right? And because the attention span of the human being now is becoming shorter and shorter, people don't have time to be reading long books. Okay, so you can really look into creating short books. It doesn't have to be books like mine. Okay, so for example, Mom Now is over 300 pages long, just because I have justification. It's a daily devotional for moms. Okay, so of course it's got 365 days of motivational stuff for moms. Okay, positivity, inspiration for moms. So if you are a mom watching this video, head over to Amazon, grab your copy. What are you waiting for? Okay, every mom needs this. So yeah, that was a bit of shameless promotion right there. So anyway, so you want to think about a topic that you're passionate about, guys. And if you are like, I'm not really sure what I want to do, what I want to write about, you can actually get someone to create your book for you. You can use platforms like Fiverr.com. But if you're happy to pay just a little bit of money to pay someone to do the job for you, it's going to save you a lot of headache. You can get someone there to create the book for you. Okay, but if you want to do this thing free, no investment, this is what the video is about. You can go on and actually start writing the book yourself. Okay, once you've created the content, you want to head over to www.canva.com, where you're going to literally be able to create your book cover. Unlike me, you don't have to pay anyone to create your book covers for you. If you're good at design, plain or round templates, head over to canva.com, guys, and create your book covers there. And once you've created your book cover, all you're literally doing right now is uploading your book onto the Amazon platform. It's free to join. Okay, just head over to Google Amazon KDP, and then register for a free account if you're not already an Amazon member, and upload your book on Amazon. It's that simple, guys. So once you upload your book on Amazon, you can set your prices. Amazon will tell you how much they are gonna get and how much you are gonna get in profit, so you'll be able to know your profits in advance of, and then it'll take about 48 hours to 72 hours for them to approve your book within its platform. And guys, once you've done one, you can replicate the strategy by adding numerous digital products within the Amazon platform and making you an amazing profit without having to invest anything in advance. Okay, like I mentioned before, if you're someone out there who's like, I don't even know how to get started with this whole process, and I recommend you head over to funnelpire.com, fpire.com. I'll leave a link below this video, where you'll be able to find so many done for you ebooks, guys, that you can literally, okay, these ebooks have been written already that you can literally resell as your own and keep 100% profit. So these books have already been written by other copywriters, so you don't have to pay no one to write the book for you, guys. Okay, and this is legal, guys. This is legal. You have full permission, guys, to resell these products as your own and keep 100% profit. You can charge your own prices, you can sell the products you know, as you please, and keep the profit. And if you guys want to learn more about the strategy of selling ebooks, I'll leave a link below this video to an amazing resource that teaches you step by step how to put all the pieces together more in depth. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.